Hey guys, we're going to start on our Fundations today. Fundations is the program that we use here at Mars Hill to help us learn our letters and our sounds. And eventually we will be able to put those letters together and write words and make sentences and write stories. And we'll also be able to sound our words out and read a whole lot better. I hope you guys have been watching the video of Miss Leslie and Miss Amanda when they've had Echo and Baby Echo. Those are called foundation cards, and that's what we're going to be working on. Today we're going to learn the letter T. T, top, T.
T, top, T.
Good job. Make sure when you make the T sound that you're clipping the sound and you're not going T. Make sure you're going T, T. Okay? All right, the paper or the boards that we're going to use to form our letters have lines on them. And it's to help us see how tall our letters are, how small they are, or if they fall down here below the grass line. They have a skyline, a plain line, a grass line, and then the worm line. So, I want you guys to say after me. Point to the skyline.
Point to the skyline.
Down to the grass line.
Down to the grass line.
Point to the skyline.
Point to the skyline.
Down to the grass line.
Down to the grass line.
Good job. Thank you. All right, are you ready? Now we're going to go about halfway up and there's a plain line. Let's do the same thing with the plain line. Point to the plain line.
Point to the plain line.
Down to the grass line.
Down to the grass line.
Point to the plain line.
Point to the plain line.
Down to the grass line.
Down to the grass line.
Good job, guys. And then there's the grass line down here. And a lot of our letters will sit on the grass line. But some of them are going to hang down here and go to the worm line. So now we're going to point from the grass line down to the worm line. Are you ready? Point to the grass line.
Point to the grass line.
Down to the worm line.
Down to the worm line.
Point to the grass line.
Point to the grass line.
Stop at the worm line.
Stop at the worm line.
Good job. Thank you, guys. All right, we're going to practice doing letter T using our boards with our sky, plain, and grass. Now, when you pick up your pen or your pencil to write, you're going to pinch with your 3 fingers. And you're going to pinch it, and then you're going to rest it. Now, mine's going to look different because I'm holding it up for you to see. But you're going to pinch and rest your hand on the table as you write. And that'll just help you make better, stronger lines and straight lines, okay? All right, for uppercase T, start at the skyline, go down to the grass line, just like our little chant said. Then you're going to come back up to the skyline, and you're going to go across. And that's a big, strong uppercase T. Now, lowercase t, it's just as tall as uppercase, so you're going to start at the skyline, go to the grass line, but lowercase t is going to cross at the plain line, just like that. And you can practice those on your board as many times as you want, okay? And then we're going to work on our worksheet. That's got the T sound, and it's got places here for you to practice. You can trace your T's, your uppercase, and then write them down here. Trace your lowercase and write them down here. Now, do you remember what sound the T makes? T, top, T, T. We're going to look at these pictures and say their name, and if you hear the T sound at the beginning, you either circle that picture or color it in. If it doesn't make the T sound, you can put an X on it if that'll help you, or you can just leave it plain. These are flowers. Flowers. Do you hear the T sound? No. I would put an X on that one. This is a tent. Tent. Do you hear the T sound in that one? Yeah, you do. So you can either circle it or just color it in, either one you want. What about this? This is a tooth. Tooth. Do you hear the T sound in it? Yep. You can circle it or color it in. This is a chain. Chain. Does it have the T sound? No. They sometimes sound alike when we're talking real fast, but it's CH. It's not a T. You're going to put an X on that one. Sun. Sun. Do you hear T in sun? No, you don't. So put you an X on that sunshine. This is a tie. Tie. Do you hear T in tie? Yep, you do. So circle that one or color it in. This is a cow. Cow. Do you hear the T sound in cow? No. Put an X on it. This is a toy that probably your grandparents played with. You guys might play with them, but they look a little different. This is called a top. Top. Do you hear the T sound in top? Yep. So you can circle or color it. And the next thing you have is this. You don't have to do this one, but it's just a practice sheet if you want to practice those T's some more, okay? You can trace these, and it has your skyline, your plane line, your grass line, and your worm line. All right, good luck, and I hope to see you guys next week. Bye.